Lionel Messi. Do you know Lionel Messi? Of course, everyone knows him. He is a football player. He is very famous. Everyone likes him because he is very kind and he has good manners. He is from Argentina. He was born on the 24th of June 1987. Now he plays for the Spanish football club FC Barcelona. He practices every day. He is very diligent. He practices playing football with his team every morning and afternoon. He follows his coach's instructions. He plays well with his team. He has very good football skills and a lot of stamina. If he is not injured, he always plays for 19 minutes. 90 minutes. He likes chicken steak, bread and fried potato. In his free time, he likes playing on his PlayStation. He wants to win as many titles as possible and to grow as a person.